Hi, hello, my name is Sukhaya Banu Vishnu. High stand में GUS Vivekananda Cell Chitradurga. Class S. Plate 8.
Okay.
Strain rain. Price ice. That hat at blink link ink cheat heat eat strain scare care are. Thank you. Introduce myself. Hello, I'm studying science standard. GUS Vivekananda College Chitradurga. Class as plate 8. Train rain brain price rice ice that hat at blink link ink cheat heat it eat scare care air are. Thank you. Introduce myself. Hi, hello, my name is Sufia. I am studying third standard GUS Vivekananda College Chitradurga. Class as blink plate 8 rice scare rain price ice that hat at blink ink
Very good.
cheat heat are eat scare are. Thank you.